In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund on PayPal. If you paid for something that never arrived damaged, or just wasn't what you ordered, PayPal gives you a built-in way to ask for your money back. I'll walk you through the exact path to reach the right place, choose the right transaction, and file the request clearly so your case is easy to review. Start by going to the PayPal website and signing in to your account. For the smoothest experience, use a modern browser and make sure you're on the official PayPal site. Once you're in, head to your account overview or activity page so you can see your recent transactions. It helps to have the payment amount and date in mind so you can spot it quickly. Next, look for the More option. Depending on your layout, you might see it near your account tools or next to a specific transaction. Click More, and from the options that appear, choose Go to Resolution Center. This takes you to PayPal's Disputes dashboard, which is where all refund and problem reports are managed. Inside the Resolution Center, select the transaction you want to address. If you have many payments, use the filters or search by date, amount, or merchant to find the right one. Open the details so you're certain it's the exact charge you're disputing. Accuracy here matters because your case will be tied to this specific payment. With the transaction selected, click Report a Problem. PayPal will prompt you to pick a reason, such as an item not received or something significantly different from what was described. Choose the reason that best matches your situation. Then describe what happened in clear, factual terms. Include dates, what you ordered, what you received, and any steps you've already taken to resolve it. If you have screenshots, order confirmations, tracking details, or messages with the seller, upload them when prompted. The more organized your information, the easier it is for the reviewer to understand your case. After you submit, keep an eye on your email and the Resolution Center for updates. PayPal often facilitates communication between you and the seller inside the case, and you may be asked for additional details. Timing matters, so don't delay. Many purchases are covered for a limited period from the date of payment. If you no longer need the refund because the seller resolved the issue, you can close the case from the same dashboard. That's it. By reaching the Resolution Center through More, selecting the correct transaction, and using Report a Problem with clear evidence, you'll give your refund request the best chance of success.